What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Produce tab in Powerdirector video editing software. So without being said, let's dive into the tutorial and get started. First, you have to make sure you drag your video clip from the media library into the timeline. So for you to do that, you just have to drag and take it down here. This is the timeline, okay? Now, when you drag your video clip into the timeline, you're going to have your Produce tab to become active. Before you can use a Produce tab, you need to make sure that you have done with your editing of all the clips. The next thing you have to do is to click on Produce tab. Alright, there are some important settings you need to do right here to have a very high quality production, okay? Right here we have different file formats, okay? Right here you just have to make sure that you choose HFC file format if you are producing MP4 video recording. So next thing you want to do here is to make sure you choose MP4, okay? When you choose MP4, you have to come here, profile name and quality. How do you want your video quality to be? This is where you determine the quality. So you have to come here, click on this drop down to select the right quality you want for your videos. So you can be sure of looking for 1920 by 1080, and you can leave the frame rate to be 25. And then right here you need to choose the country video file format. Different country with their different file format. So right here I'm going to choose Nigerian PAR. Okay, so you have to locate your country and choose your country PAR. So I'm using Nigerian PAR right here. So one more thing you can do here, you can create a profile for this rendering standard higher resolution MP4 format. For you to do that, just click on this plus icon here. So this is going to pump up. You can name this YouTube format. Okay, then you have to come to the video right here and reset your final settings. Okay, sorry, so name has been existing before. So let me name this YouTube format 02. Okay, then we have to go to the video. Then right here, make sure you choose 1920 by 1080 pixels, and then your frame rate should be 30 frame rate per second, and then high profile is chosen. Then make sure you come here and type in 8000. Okay, once you're done, then you just have to click on OK. Boom. So you're going to have the profile right here. So each time you want to produce a very high quality production, you just have to select the format you have done, and then you come here and click on Start Produce. So this is how you can use a Produce tab to produce a very high quality video in Powerdirector video editing software. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.